So we've all been there. You're shopping in a store, you're just walking in the automatic doors, they open up, it's a rainy day outside and there's water right there on the floor. If someone were to slip in that, you'd automatically think, well, hey, that might be the responsibility of the store manager, the store itself. That's not always the case. Same with the spill in an aisle, same with overcrowding that leads to an injury. There's a lot of different factors that come into play, such as how long was that spill on there? Did any of the employees have a reasonable amount of time to discover that and get it cleaned up? It's not always that straightforward as just, oh, hey, there's a spill here, I slipped. It's on the property to have taken care of that. So if you or someone you know has been involved in a slip and fall or a trip and fall or some sort of overcrowding injury in a store, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help.